44. Solve the quadratic equation. X squared minus 81 equal to 0. To solve this, let us first write the standard form of the quadratic equation. So it is ax squared plus bx plus c. And this equals 0. Now, you will notice here the x squared is available in our question. And we have also the c value, right? But the term which is having the x is not available here. So to solve this question, we cannot take the GCF, which is the greatest common factor, as we did in our previous examples. In this question, we have to use something else, another approach, which is difference of two squares. Let us guys now remember the difference of two squares rule. If I have a square number a minus a square number b, how I can factor it? Simply I have to write the numbers a, b between parentheses 2 times. Then simply I will have to put one parenthesis with the minus or negative, the other parentheses with the positive. So in this case, we have finished factoring the difference between two squares. So this is the rule of difference of two squares. Let us go back to our question. We will see here we have x squared minus 81. So basically 81 is what? 81 is 9 to the power of 2, right? So it is a difference between two squares. This is square minus this is square. We can simply apply our difference of two squares rule. So let us do it together. I will have to write parentheses x 9 x 9. Simply we'll have to put minus and a plus, and this equals to 0. Now simply we have to solve for x. So x minus 9 equals 0, or x plus 9 equal 0. So let us start with this, solving for x. I will add 9 to both sides, so this will cancel out. So I will have x equal 9. Let us jump to the second one. X plus 9 equals 0. I will have to minus 9 from both sides. These will cancel out. So x equal minus 9.